Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is vitality. Your vitals. It's time to take care of your body, your health. Stay away from pork, shellfish. Stay away from, make sure you're on a massage bed twice a month, a chiropractic office twice a month, so we can get the junk out and we can also put some oil on your mechanical being, on your body. Make sure we tune it up, in other words. What does it benefit you to have your heart's desires and you can't enjoy it due to poor health? I'm the being of light and I accept the divine energy in my body. Every one of my cells regenerates. I make sure I sleep well. I eat right. I treat right. I make sure I treat my body and I pamper it because it's the only one I have. You treat it like a machine, you'll short circuit as such. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.